Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a super cute car. Let's draw the car's body. It is like a long and soft shape. Draw two straight lines like this. One more straight line for the bottom. Very good. Draw two circles at the bottom for the wheels. Like this. Very good. Now draw the curve. Very good. Great job. Draw the headlight and the tail light. Small curve for the top and big curve down. Next the windows, so we can see outside. Let's draw the windows. Like this. Now draw the handles for the car. Your drawing is ready. Time to color. It is a fun part. Use yellow color for this section. Let's color the big part of the wheels black. Very good. You did it very well. Very good. I'm going to pick green for my car's body. Don't cross the lines. Color in one direction to make it neat. Like this. Remember to try and stay inside the lines. It's okay if you go out a little bit. Just try your best. Color it all in. No white spots left. Like these. Use same color for this section. Great job. Use red color for the tail light and yellow color for the headlight. Like these. Now for windows we use sky blue color. Here also. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. Done. Look at your super cute car. You did an amazing job. Allah Hafiz.